What a chill, easy skate. Nice. Wait, where's my car? It's all the way down there? No. Okay, I guess we're going down this hill. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm starting a 3-part series where I'm gonna teach you how to go down hills. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you like roller skating or if you're interested in roller skating, definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell because I put out new videos every week and you don't want to miss them. Today we're talking about how to go down a hill backwards using your toe stops. Now, in this series, we're gonna talk not just about how to go down backwards on toe stops, we're also gonna talk about how to carve and how to bomb a hill, but those 2 videos are coming later. So today, this is the way to go down a hill, especially if you're a beginner and you aren't confident, or if you are going down a hill that's really, really steep and you don't feel as though you're going to be able to successfully carve or bomb it without being put into danger. So, let's do it. So when you're going down backwards, it's gonna feel intimidating because going down backwards always feels more difficult than going down forwards. But in reality, going down backwards and using your toe stops is the safest and the easiest way to get down a hill. And the way you're gonna do that is you want to be in the position that you would have if you were doing a stop going backwards or even a turnaround toe stop. That is that you're gonna bend your knees. You're gonna have your back foot, whichever one is comfortable. It could be your right foot, could be your left foot. That's going to be with your toe stops completely down. And then your front foot is going to be flat. And then it might occasionally go up on the toe stop depending on how much speed you need to stop. But really what's going on is your front foot, whether it is your left foot or your right foot, doesn't matter. That's gonna be the one that's allowing you the speed. And then the back foot is the one controlling how fast or how slow you get. And the way it's doing that is by how much pressure you're putting down into that toe stop. So before you try this, you definitely wanna check and make sure that your toe stops are in there super, super tight. So really make sure your toe stops are tight, and then when we go down the hill, we're gonna use that toe stop, push it in. If we feel like we're going too slow, we're gonna ease up on the weight that we're putting in that toe stop, and if we feel like we're going too fast, we're gonna put more weight in it to slow us down. And if you need to completely stop at the end, then you can just put that second toe stop up, and then you're in that lunge position, your knees are really bent, and you're gonna be able to stop. Going really, really slow right now because I have a lot of weight in that back foot. And then if I ease up the weight, then I end up going faster. And then look, I almost have no weight, but I know I can put it down at any point and stop it. P.S. If you're looking to shred your toe stops, this is the way to do it. So that was my default. I like putting my right foot back, but you can also do it with your left foot back, like this. And whatever foot you have back, that's the direction you want to turn your body. So if your left foot is back, you're gonna want to turn your body to the left. Remember, you always want to look behind you. You always want to know what's coming. So if your right foot is back, you're turning over your right shoulder, you're looking back. The reason why that is, you never know when there's gonna be a car, person, bike, anything in that way, and you need to be able to throw those brakes on. Because most of the time, we're the ones doing the illegal shit. And that's how you go down a hill on your toe stops backwards. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Hopefully this helps you. Let me know in the comments if you've tried going down a hill backwards, and let me know how it goes. And if you want to support me or support this channel, you can go to www.cheerstothequeers.com and buy some cool stuff, and that's what helps keep this channel running. Also, it's really, really cute and you should definitely check it out. But most importantly, cheers to the queers!